Hey, and welcome to today's video. It's one of these video vlog things. I haven't done them in quite a while. I don't know if people really like them, but seeing as I haven't released a video in 4 weeks, I thought it might be necessary to have one of these. Hence the cool intro. I hope you liked it. It was just me playing, to be honest. But yeah, so I thought I'd do this quick, just sort of standard vlog style video, because I haven't updated a video in nearly 4 weeks. And as you could see in the intro, my shop is an absolute mess. Now, this is not because there's a lack of interest of doing anything, it's just I have tons of renovations at home, and they decided to use most of my garage or workshop as storage for the furniture while they were laying the new floor. I just didn't manage to get around to having any space really, bar this project that you see here, which most probably will be the next video. I'm not gonna make promises, but it'll be one of the next videos I'm gonna release. So yeah, there's just been no time and space to make videos, to be honest. But that's all gonna change. I've now taken a week off work because guess what? The renovation's already done and I'm still missing a train bed. I also wanted to update actually on the overall progress of the channel, because yeah, I've had this break and like everyone knows, I don't have huge amounts of subscribers. That's why, please, if you could share and like. I know this video might not be the best, but choose your favorite and just share it with your friends. Show them some of the cool stuff I've done. But the channel's doing okay. I have my few loyal followers, and it's still fun. That's the whole point. And surprisingly, one of my videos has really picked off, which is the dice vaults video. I guess geeks like it. There's not that many videos really on how to make dice vaults the way I do. I don't know, I guess it's just some subject matter I like. So I'm definitely going to do more geeky things. I've got a design for a dice tower I want to try out and stuff like that. So that definitely will feature soon. However, I had a goal of doing 20 projects before the first year is done. And as you can see, I haven't been that great at keeping track on this awkward chalkboard. 2 reasons. One, it's really awkward to write on here. And B, I lose track of time in that. I literally had to scroll through all the videos now and look at, oh, when did I do the first video? But I found out it was the 17th of August. So I have pretty much just under a month, or just over. It's not quite the 17th yet, or well, at least as of this recording. So I have just about a month left to finish my 20 projects. And last count, if you look on my YouTube, is I'm on 18. I thought I would actually get there much faster because I thought I'd do a lot of small projects, but it ended up me doing way more complicated projects. That said, you saw the project I was working on, that's nearly done. Plus I actually have another one that is already done that I couldn't show yet because it needs the renovations to be finished so you can see how it actually looks like. So I think I'm on track. I just hope I get to release those 2 projects before the 17th of August, because otherwise I feel like I failed. But I've got 4 projects that I'm going to be completing this week. So it's looking good, and overall I'm pretty proud. But I'll do a sort of a summary of the year video post that. But I just thought I should share that with you. Another thing I wanted to share with you is this here. This will be not this, but the whole thing, everything here. This might be a little bit controversial for some because I think the woodworking community is divided in 2, but I've managed to I just outright purchased a CNC. Now I know that's not really everyone's cup of tea when it comes to woodworking because, it's all about hand tools, right? Or at least about doing it yourself. However, I do see a really good use for these where, you can engrave things and you can just play stuff. And I think that's the point of this channel. I want to learn about woodworking in all aspects, and I'll see how much use I get out of it. The idea here is my wife wants me to make chopping boards, and we can engrave that for people and sell that as sort of a, side project for her. So yeah, I mean, I'm excited to use it. I won't lie, I'm a computer geek. I make computer games in my day job, so you know, doing like programming and controlling, you know, a router via code in essence. I mean, it's not that, it's you've got software that does it for you, but I think it's pretty cool. So I'm super excited about that. However, you know, there's a lot of other things I have to sort out first. And this is also why I'm not going to release a project video right now, because my shop is a mess. I mean, it is a nightmare. I've still got half the furniture here. I'm hoping that some of that will leave today, but I need to sort this place out first. And with particularly the CNC, it's just too big. I need to actually build a table for the CNC, which means I need to start the shop renovation project, which is something where I want to get way more surface space to work on. But the most important thing right now is to finish all the furniture requests my wife has put in for the renovation, which includes this unit here, which is for Max's room. I need to do his bed. I also need to make a circle frame that I started working on, and a similar circle cutout for one of his wardrobes. I think once I'm done at that point, I can then think about doing the shop. I also obviously want to create some smaller projects for other things, but there's so much going on, and it's really weird. A year ago, I was an absolute noob, and I'll be honest, a year later, or nearly 10 months later, I still feel like I'm a noob. It's like everything still makes me nervous. Like I look at the router table and I'm really impressed that I managed to build that and I can use it, and it's fantastic. You know, and I look at some of the other stuff I've made and I use, it's great, but you think that after, you know, a year you'd feel way more comfortable. Not comfortable, I don't think comfortable is the right thing. My English, you know. I think what I'm trying to say is I still don't think I'm like an expert in any means, so please don't take any of my videos as like, this is how you should do it. This is more like, this is how an idiot figures out how to do the work. But yeah, anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start tidying up this place and continue on the rest of the project. So if you've watched this long of me just rambling, thank you very much. And I promise I will get back to my schedules. I'm gonna try and hit 2 videos a week. I know it used to be 1 video every single week. Reality is I do have a day job, and if I do larger projects, that's actually quite difficult because I have to do them over multiple weeks. So I'm going to try and release once every 2 weeks, which I think is way more manageable for me, and I also think the quality of the videos will be a little bit better. But yeah, other than that, if you have any questions, comments, feedback, anything particularly also around the channel, or if you like this kind of video or projects you want to see or anything like that, if you want more details on things, less details, if you want me to talk more or less, whatever it is, please just write in the comments. Feedback is always appreciated. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you later.